They keep directing them someplace else.
What is the wood carving?
Yes, my friend. Good morning.
How are you?
All right.
So he never said quiet.
Greetings, Crystal. How are you? Are you having a wonderful day?
I am. Thank you.
Do you know where you are?
We are we're in a Kente weaving village. I can't pronounce the name.
Bonwire.
Bonwire, okay. Yes, Bonwire. Weaving machines.
Now, are you excited about shopping today?
I'm excited about seeing the men weave the Kente because I'm into textiles, so this is...
Oh, that's cool, but what you plan on buying?
Well, I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, let's go inside, please.
All right, well, we'll catch back up with you inside while you're shopping.
Mom, go inside. You can do everything inside. All right. Boss, Charlie, Mom, come back. Keep it. You want to buy it?
All right. Good morning. How you feeling? Yes, good morning. And we follow Crystal around as she looked to buy.
You know, they weave it in strips and then they sew them together.
Wow, you sound like you got to figure it out.
No, I was reading about it before I got here, the history of it and how they do it, so yeah. Believe me, if you know anything about textiles, what he's doing is like amazing.
All right, cool.
All with his feet. His feet are the levers. His hands are weaving, and the designs. I mean, it's not even in the West. We have these computers that work out the design, but he's just doing it from his head, really, and just he knows where to put the colors, where. That's stunning.